Let's create this 3D croissant nail art design with me, step by step. I started this design with a soft base color that matches the main color of the coffee mug. Keeping the base simple helps the 3D design stand out and makes the details the center of attention. Using a thin detail brush, I paint a few straight lines with a dusty pink color. Don't worry if your line isn't perfectly straight on the first try. You can always paint another line right next to it, giving yourself a little more room to adjust the shape and create a clean, straight edge. For the 3D croissant, I'm using polygel. Its thick consistency makes it easy to sculpt and create a realistic raised effect. Now you can start shaping the croissant. I'm using a silicone nail tool to carefully mold the polygel, making it easier to create smooth curves and refine the overall shape. Once you're happy with the shape, you can place the croissant onto the nail. After that, you can make any final adjustments to perfect the shape. Next, I'm using a cuticle tool to define the shape of the croissant. This helps create the signature curves and gives it a more realistic look. After curing the polygel for 60 seconds under the UV lamp, it's time to bring the croissant to life by adding some color. I use 2 thin coats to build up the color gradually. To make the croissant look even more realistic, I'm adding a darker shade to the deeper areas. Building up different tones creates more depth. Now it's time to apply the top coat. This not only seals in the design, but also enhances the colors and gives the croissant a glossy finish. Don't forget to apply the top coat to all the sides of the croissant. Covering every angle helps protect the 3D design and gives it a smooth, even finish. And that's it. Your 3D croissant nail is complete and ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed creating this 3D croissant with me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next nail art tutorial.